Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a monochromatic black and white split cup pour. I'm using this split cup from paintpourstore.com that it has this holder and nice lid here that paint don't bleed here, and probably I will use marbles too, just not sure yet. So I will pour black in 2 chambers and white in 2 of them, and then we will see what will happen. So I will pour black in this one. Just have to turn them. I already made a mess. And in this one, and the white in the other 2. I really love those monochromatic pours just with the black and white, so just decided today that it's a day for this kind of pour again. And I thought, okay, maybe I can try to roll some marble through too, so let's do that. I will pour maybe just a little bit of black here in the middle. Not a little bit, a puddle of black, because I will need some more paint. I'm working on 12 by 12 inch canvas, and I want to have some room to spread my paint the way that I want, so let's do that. I just think maybe I will go with the marble and see what will happen. I really want to I don't know, bring something to this part, and I will start in the middle of this ring kind of. So let's put my marble here and let's roll. Through those white parts. a little bit. I think that I like that. But I want to go from this black to this side too, so I will put my marble in black paint. Just try to, because I didn't like that center anymore. Just go through here and to the side, because kind of want to have this part with the marbles and not that part, so but I want something there. Let's give it another spin. I really like those lines that I get here, so maybe this should do. But I would really love to have just black here without this. So let's spin it once more. It will not go away, but a little better, I think. I really don't want to tilt because I'm afraid that I will lose those lines that are quite, you know, nice. So, but I will go to that corner. Maybe just need one more marble roll there. So you see, with the marbles is because you can almost draw with them, so it's interesting, and sometimes it's hard to stop. But I really want to add a little something here to match this part, and I will leave this one black. So let's or maybe I should even go from here to break this part a little bit, because it's kind of weird. It looks like a wave, but I don't like it, so I will go from here. Back to this side. And try to bring it towards this part here. Okay. Didn't do a good job there. I will just try to tilt a little of this part off. And I will open some lines with that too, so hopefully I will not ruin everything. Okay, enough ink. Back to the middle. I'm really tempted to, you know, go through here. So let's do it. Maybe I will ruin it, but just want to go here. Once more. Just to break this part a little bit, maybe. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but now it is what it is. So here it is. Definitely the last one was a mistake. But still, you see, I really love this part. Maybe I should even leave this without, you know, and these lines in white are my favorite, I think. Really love this part too. So I don't know which orientation I like the most. Maybe I should even tilt a little bit of this off. If I will definitely. You will see on the thumbnail probably. So, but I like it. I really do. Tell me what you think about it, and see you on the next one. Bye.